In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of migrating Google Workspace mails to MSG files using the BitRecover Google Workspace Backup tool. To install our Google Workspace to MSG Migrator, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. Our tool provides user with Google Workspace account migration. If you have a Google Workspace admin account, you can click on the I am admin option and batch migrate mailboxes. Uncheck I am admin option to go back. To begin, enter your Google Workspace address and click Sign in with Google option. A new window will open asking to select the Google Workspace account to sign in with. Click on Select All option. Click on Continue and go back to the tool. Select or deselect folder for migration using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select MSG option for this tutorial. The file naming option allows users to select a name format for the output file when converting it. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Next, simply click the Backup button, and the migration will begin. Once the migration is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully migrated Google Workspace mails. Click OK and open the destination folder to access the newly migrated mails.
Our tool provides users with filter options for selective backup. Here, user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.